Math challenge. Let's go. Question 1. What is 3 times 9? The correct answer is B, 27. Question 2. What is 4 times 10? The correct answer is A, 40. Question 3. What is 5 times 6? The correct answer is C, 30. Question 4. What is 7 times 4? The correct answer is A, 28. Question 5. What is 8 times 5? The correct answer is B, 40. Question 6. What is 9 times 4? The correct answer is C, 36. Question 7. What is 6 times 2? The correct answer is B, 12. Question 8. What is 9 times 6? The correct answer is A, 54. Question 9. What is 7 times 6? The correct answer is B, 42. Question 10. What is 8 times 8? The correct answer is C, 64. Keep going. Question 11. What is 10 times 2? The correct answer is B, 20. Question 12. What is 2 times 3? The correct answer is A, 6. Question 13. What is 4 times 5? The correct answer is B, 20. Question 14. What is 6 times 7? The correct answer is B, 42. Question 15. What is 3 times 8? The correct answer is A, 24. Question 16. What is 9 times 9? The correct answer is B, 81. Question 17. What is 5 times 5? The correct answer is B, 25. Question 18. What is 7 times 3? The correct answer is A, 21. Question 19. What is 10 times 6? The correct answer is B, 60. Question 20. What is 2 times 8? The correct answer is B, 16. Halfway there. Question 21. What is 4 times 4? The correct answer is B, 16. Question 22. What is 6 times 9? The correct answer is A, 54. Question 23. What is 1 times 7? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 24. What is 5 times 9? The correct answer is B, 45. Question 25. What is 3 times 3? The correct answer is B, 9. Question 26. What is 7 times 8? The correct answer is B, 56. Question 27. What is 2 times 2? The correct answer is A, 4. Question 28. What is 3 times 4? The correct answer is B, 12. Question 29. What is 5 times 7? The correct answer is B, 35. Question 30. What is 6 times 6? The correct answer is A, 36. You are a genius. Question 31. What is 8 times 3? The correct answer is B, 24. Question 32. What is 9 times 2? The correct answer is B, 18. Question 33. What is 4 times 7? The correct answer is B, 28. Question 34. What is 10 times 5? The correct answer is B, 50. Question 35. What is 1 times 9? The correct answer is C, 9. Question 36. What is 6 times 4? The correct answer is B, 24. Question 37. What is 7 times 7? The correct answer is B. 49. Question 38. What is 8 times 6? The correct answer is B. 48. Question 39. What is 3 times 5? The correct answer is B. 15. Question 40. What is 9 times 3? The correct answer is B. 27. Almost done. Question 41. What is 10 times 8? The correct answer is B. 80. Question 42. What is 2 times 4? The correct answer is B. 8. Question 43. What is 1 times 5? The correct answer is A. 5. Question 44. What is 3 times 6? The correct answer is B. 18. Question 45. What is 4 times 8? The correct answer is B. 32. Question 46. What is 5 times 2? The correct answer is B. 10. Question 47. What is 6 times 3? The correct answer is B. 18. Question 48. What is 7 times 5? The correct answer is B. 35. Question 49. What is 8 times 7? The correct answer is B. 56. Question 50. What is 9 times 8? The correct answer is B. 72. Congratulations. You completed Quiz Panda. How many did you get right? Write it in the comments and subscribe.